Hello guys, so we have this update about the Matchain airdrop. The snapshot for airdrop distribution is coming in less than 5 days as at the time of making this video. And here are the tasks or what you need to do. I think they are non-momentary tasks, meaning that you don't have to use any fee to do this. So let me just see. This is the Matchain on the Telegram bot, and under the tasks section you are seeing follow Matchain on X, meet Matchain ID passports, bind your X to Matchain ID, bind wallets, follow, this one is social tags, join CX global Telegram. For people that have been mining this CEX already should have done this. Then create an account, follow, create an account on link layout, follow. So they made this, they announced their criteria, what you need to do to get the airdrop, that they will be distributing the airdrop based on rank. They said set up your Matchain ID, reach level 1, the higher the level, the better. Link your Telegram to Matchain ID, link wallets with real Matchain usage. Then follow tweets about Matchain IO on X. So all of these tags, this meets Matchain passports, all of those things will be happen is what we are going into. So let me just do a quick one on this. So coming to this, if you click on meet Matchain ID, it will open in your wallet, in your browser, and this is what you'll be having. So because I've already pasted the link here, I copied the link from my browser and I paste it where I have wallet to link. So yeah, I'll just log in using my Telegram, and I can continue. I'll select Telegram here, then I can continue with whatever we are asked to do. So you have to complete some of the, you can see there is no, you are not using funds to complete any of this. So you just, no funds required. So yeah, I'm gonna click on continue. Okay, I think I've been logging now. Yeah, that is what we have here. That is it. So here is the proof of human passport. If I click on this proof of human, you can see level 0. I abandoned this already, like I was not even following up. So you can see Bybit, KYC, OKX, LinkedIn, Instagram, any of this one that you complete is what we're going will increase your level. As you can see, level 0. If I complete the KYC for this, because I already completed KYC on Bybit, if I should verify this, let's click on verify and go straight into it. It will increase my level. So the more of these accounts that you are verifying, the more level, the higher the level that you get. I hope you understand. If you verify for as many, okay, I have to use a VPN. You can see for some region like myself, you can access some of this crypto link directly. So I'm using a VPN now to access this. Then I can refresh Bybit and log in. Okay, so what I need to do here is to okay, you can see Bybit is now opened because I've used a VPN. So I'll just need to sign in my Bybit, the one that I've already verified. I'll log in my Bybit here, then link it. You need to first of all install ZK-Pass. You need to have installed your ZK-Pass. So if you are familiar or if you are not familiar with this, this is ZK-Pass. If you watch my video on layer edge verification and some of this verification that we do using ZK-Pass, you should have been familiar with it already. So this is the ZK-Pass Transgate. You first of all install it on your Mrs. browser or your system. After you must have installed it, then you now need to log in your CX account in the same browser that you have your ZK-Pass. So you can see, it's either you download the ZK-Pass app or you use the extension. I'm using the extension here, and this is it. So that's for the ZK-Pass. So now to verify this. So here is it. You are seeing my Bybit is verified, and that settles it. So you can see here verifying. Maybe I should just refresh and see if I can check it. So once they verify that I have a verified Bybit account, then I'll be upgraded to level 1. Then if I choose to also verify other exchanges accounts like Gate.io, KuCoin, and every other exchanges like that, they will increase my level. It's just the same thing. All you need to do is to log in your exchange accounts once you have installed your ZK Pass, and they will automatically see that you have been verified once you have a verified exchange account. So that is what this verification means. So if I want to do for Instagram, or I want to do for KuCoin, or I want to do for Gate.io, I'm seeing Gate.io here, I can go ahead to do that too. So all I need to do is to click on to log in my Gate.io exchange. Yeah, but I want them to verify this Bybit first. It's still showing verifying. So while waiting for that, let's go to the next one, which is this wallet connection. All of those tasks that you are meant to do is here already. So we have it somehow here. So you are seeing wallet, you are seeing info, you are seeing authorization. So if I click on this info, here I'll be able to connect EVM wallet and Tone wallet. The more data you connect, the stronger your digital identity. So I have the option to connect EVM, Tone, and Discord, LinkedIn, CX API. All of this, I'm not connecting all of this. This is too sensitive. This API stuff is too sensitive for my liking. So here, EVM, I will click on and I will select MetaMask. Okay, how is it loading? So I've connected my EVM wallet. We're still showing connecting. Maybe that's network. Let's see if they automatically do that. So I still need to connect my Tone wallet. Then okay, I'm sorry. Discord. Let me just refresh this. No. Okay, wow, so they've not even, jeez. How to reconnect? Let me click on Tone. What's going on? Okay, this one is still showing connecting. Let me use Solana. Okay, you see what I'm doing, basically connecting as many wallets I can connect, even though I don't know what's wrong with their server. So I can connect EVM, cannot connect Tone wallet. And I'll be connecting those 3 wallets. So after then, you can choose to connect your Discord, your LinkedIn. Then which other one should we do? The way their server is very slow. It's not encouraging. So let's check this authorization and see what we have here. So basically, these are the tasks you have to do. Basic security protection on. The Phantom wallet is just popping it for connection. So under this authorization, there is nothing much to do here. You can see it's just turning on data authorization. So coming back here again, we connect wallet. Let's see. I just want to be sure I'm connecting everything that needs to be connected. Remember, you have less than 5 days to get all of this done. So I think that has been connected. Oh goodness, what is wrong with these people? So under the dApps, let's see if this is where you have to perform the on-chain. I'm just showing you everything you need to do here under this Matchain dashboard. So that you don't just do the P of this thing and just leave the remaining ones. So I'm just showing you everything you need to do. So once you access this page, you should know that you have to connect. You have to do everything that is under it. Okay, MatchQuest is a game. It's a play-to-earn apps on the user. Okay, let's click on go. That's what we have to do here. How many times did I want to sign this wallet? The server is very slow. I might later try like during midnight. I don't know, because this server is like it's not allowing me to complete all of this. I just need to show you what you need to do so that you can look for a time the best time to get it done. So that's the essence of this video. So basically I've just walked you through the dashboard for this Matchain. Proceed to do everything that you have to do. Go to the Matchain Telegram app like I showed earlier. This one. And see this and conclude the social tax as well. So they've not said anything. They didn't mention that the social tax is part of the way to level up. No, the ones that are important is this meet, bind wallet, bind MatchChain ID. All of these ones are the ones that determine your airdrop allocation. For other ones like social follow, they did not mention it as a determinant for airdrop allocation. So that's it. So guys, basically this is the update on Matchain. Do whatever you have to do so that you can be eligible for the airdrop allocation. For myself, I'll just keep trying because this server is very slow. So guys, this is the update on the Matchain. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell, and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now. So I will keep trying from my hand. You can also join my Telegram community. Check the link in the pinned post in the comment section or the description box of this video. See ya. Catch ya. Bye bye.